Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect in
Drag your
Photoshop.
image to Photoshop. Choose the crop tool and crop your image if it is too long for a portrait size. Go to image, choose image size and press OK. Make sure you leave the resolution at 72. Follow this process to saturate the image. To darken the background of this image, make sure you follow this process. Now make a copy of the background layer. Go to filter, choose blur and Gaussian blur. Now reduce the radius until you make sure the image is a little bit blurred. Now as soon as you are through with that, save this image as a PSD format. Delete the copied layer since we are not making use of it again. Now follow this process. Go to the type tool and choose the horizontal text. Draw a big line from the other edge to another. Press Ctrl V to paste the text you have copied. So I will make some necessary adjustment to the text. Double click on the text thumbnail and press Ctrl T to open up the properties. Now follow this process. Go to filter, choose distort and choose replace. With that, it will automatically want you to bring in the image we have saved. Unlock the background layer and drag it to the top. Create a clipping mask and then create a black background layer. Drag it downward to see the final result.